Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, January the 30th, 2021. We have three Sudokus left in this additional, and one of them is a Sudoku with two stars, and this will be number 2252. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. I think this one has 26. Let me check if this is correct. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Plus 2 is 11, plus 3 is 14, 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 4 is equal to 26. Correct. One less than the previous Sudoku with 27. Yes, 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 5? In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in the last row. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in that box. One box left for the 9. Should be there. Alright, 2 boxes left. For the numbers 2 and 8, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2, wait. Did I make a mistake? 5. It's not 2 and 8. We have a 2 and an 8 there. It's 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And then 2, 3. Alright. 2, 2. Alright. We have a we have a 2, 3, and a 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. Nope, we have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and 3. So in this big square, the three numbers left are for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. All right. All right. Let me see. Let me see. 5, 5. 8, 7, 9, 9. This should be a 9. Okay, in this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. We have a 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 4 should be here? 4, 4. These 3 boxes. 4 is missing, 1 is missing, and 2 is no 2 we have here. Well, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 1, 4, and 5. 1, 4, and 5 are missing in the last column. 1, 4, and 5 in the last column. We see here 4 and a 5. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 digit left in the last column for the number 1. Okay. 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7, 7. 9, 9, 9. 3, 2, 2. Okay. 5, 6, 6, 6. Here's supposed to be the 6. All right. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. All right. 6. 3, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 here. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. Alright. 9, 9. So in this box, big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above, the middle row. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. And now 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those two boxes. Here 3, so no 3 in that box. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 7, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 2? 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. All right. 6, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. 9 and 1. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 1. How about these two numbers in the third row for the missing numbers? 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8 and 6. 8 and 6. 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 9. We have a 9 now, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, and all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. All right, 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 5 is missing here. Yes. Now we have a 5 here. This cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5, and this should be the 4. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. Alright. One number left in this column for the number 8. 2 boxes left for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Yes. Definitely a 2-star Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. It will be a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.